What's going on, guys? We got another day of live trading here, and maybe I'll get some commentary going, but massive sell-off overnight. I'm not sure if there was news. I think we're all waiting for Powell and everyone to speak today. Got 5 minutes to the open, 4 minutes to the open here. Actually, I'm trying to get filled around 24. I see if I go back, I can see, I want to get long in this area, which is right in here when we opened on the 21st, a couple days ago. It was a key reversal. We made a new high. We're coming back down into it. This would make a lower high for us to then break new highs again, or at least have a nice big bounce to like 13,880. Let me turn off that noise there. So what I'm thinking is get long here at like 24. We hit 25, so 24. Now here's the thing with my sizing too. So I'm actually, I've hit the limit. Like I passed the evaluation for this account. It's at 53K. So I don't want to do my usual risk which is one NQ. 15 points on one NQ is $300. I don't really want to go under it. I'm like live in 2 days now, so I'd rather just do MNQs. I know it's kind of lame. I know it's less size. I know it's 1/10. I know you want to see bigger size, but I'm not going to do it. So what I can do, I think it's $30 per stop out per contract. Yeah, at that size. So I'll do like 2 or 3. It's $90. I'll do 2 MNQs so you can see. I got my order in at 24. Make it 23.75. Now let's keep it 24. 15-point stop.
Order submitted.
So I'll keep it there. Let's pop it up. It should be on the chart there. I don't know why it's not. Anyways, I'll either get filled or I won't. If we look at ES, we're doing the same thing. We kind of swept the low. We're actually 41.8650. 41.86. Yeah, we made a new low technically, so it's trying to bounce here. If it doesn't bounce, we'll probably head, I don't know, back to this high, back down here. But if we're gonna bounce, I think we're gonna bounce here at 24. We've sold off all freaking night, and there's no spot I would have liked other than right here. Just a quick bounce off of there and then back to new highs, but I was asleep. That was at like frickin' 2 in the morning, so pretty much just waiting 1 more minute for the open. Now the volatility is going to rush in. We'll probably get that flush in there. Excuse me. And it's a good spot to get filled for sure. We're in a downtrend. Probably go lower, but I got a 15-point stop. We'll see what happens. I'll just change it to 1 contract, and you can see what I usually take in terms of P&L, which is just 10 times more, right? Because 1 NQ is 10 MNQs, so yeah, here we go. So I talked a little yesterday about how I started going the funding account route. It's such a it's a much better thing for me because it allows me to have that larger account without fearing of actually losing my own money. I'm just trading someone else's money. And for these funded accounts, you start on the sim anyways, so you're not even risking their money until you prove yourself profitable. So it's been perfect for me, honestly. I've gotten a few nice wins this year, like I've said. Okay, so market's open. I need to get filled like right about here. It's like right here, 24. Yeah, come on. A little lower,
Order filled.
There it is, order filled. So you can see the points here. That'll be the same with NQ, but this is usually 10x. So like $75, $20. This is like this size. I don't get affected. Well, even one NQ, I don't really get affected, but this is definitely not affecting me at all. So let's see what happens. Now, sometimes I'll take 2 NQ, for example, and then I'll sell the first one like into this rip up here into 75. Hold on to the other one, break even stop, but I've only got 1, so we'll see. NQ is a lot of fun. It's sketchy. Like, you know, you're up 150 bucks already on NQ, and then down a hundred, or just up $100. Oh, now we're up $240. Like it moves, but I'm used to it at this point. And this is only 10 points we're talking about here. You can see down here on the right. So far so good. Now keep in mind this could go all the way back up to 13,940. Now these accounts don't let you sell, or they don't let you hold past the close of the futures, which is what, 5 p.m. Eastern. So 20 points. Look at that. So you'd be up $430. I'd be tempted on NQ to take it into the rip up into this area here, the liquidity here. But I'll show you guys how it's going here. There's an hourly short setup. Yeah, a little more and I'll take it off actually. Let's do 50, 55, yeah.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, so nice. That was 30 points again. Kind of like yesterday was 25 or something. We came into a short setup on the hourly, and it could at least do nothing for the next hour or two now. If it doesn't just rip, of course. So I decided to take it off there. Now what I will do is if we get this setup down here, I'll take it again at 35. So NQ, right? I'd be up, this is totally normal to be up 575 or like down 300. That's a very typical, because if I stop out, you know, you're down 300. Very common thing for NQ. Now, just like yesterday, if I had just waited for the end of this frickin' candle, I'll probably end up getting this fill too. 62, it's already up another 10 points. So you'd be, oh, excuse me, I'm freaking tired. Yeah, with NQ, it moves. Every 10 points is 200 bucks. So you gotta have good entries, and that was a pretty freaking good entry. 22, 25. I got in at 24. What's that? A .75, right? Like 1.75 points. See what ES is doing. ES is coming back up. So I would take that at like even the 5-minute 9. I'd try it out, which is 5 points higher than the actual setup on the candle. So yeah, we'll see. Let's see what happens here. We got another minute. So yeah, the funded accounts are really cool. It's been teaching me the discipline that I didn't have in my exclusively live accounts. So I would just build the account up. I would get loose on the rules because I'm like, oh, I just earned $300 into $7,000, and then I would start taking like 3 NQ, 4 NQ. Like I would just increase the size to the point where if I took one loss, there goes like half the account. It just wasn't sustainable, if anything. So these kinds of accounts, they don't let you do that, or they blow it. If you're down a certain amount at any time, you blow it. So that's actually helped me a lot. I don't ever take more than 2 NQ if I'm trading systematically, and even then it's usually 1. But you take 2 NQ there, and you sell them both up here, like you're up $1,500, you can just stop. Like you're good. You just traded for 5 minutes. That's it. That's all you need. Okay, so let's see what happens. Let's see if we get it here. I don't think we're gonna get this in this candle, at least. Even 44. Let's try to get 44 with a 5-point stop. 55. We'll try to get 45.
Order submitted.
75. I don't think we will, to be honest. I want to keep this video a little shorter than the other ones. Just show just another live example of trading. Find a bigger time frame setup. Put your order out and just chill. So this candle could take its time and close down here, or heck, we can move higher and then come back down, but I do want to try it back again down here. I just don't think it'll work. So I don't think it'll happen right now. It looks like it's going to go higher or just stay here. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Another day live trading. I can't remember what I said yesterday, but I've been intermittently trading. I think I said I'm trading a lot, but not frequently. That didn't make any sense, did it? I've been trading when I can and going for the massive wins with a low win rate. And that's worked a couple times this year already. I've been able to just augment my income. The old wage slave income that I have with trading. I'm able to trade right now and then get back to work around 10 o'clock. I'm very happy with the position I'm in right now. So maybe we'll just stop the video here. Keep it short. I think it's been 10 minutes already. Has it? Yeah, it's been about 10 minutes. We'll keep it there. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you, who knows when, maybe tomorrow. All right, peace.